I think I'd be lost without a garden, really, you know? I mean, there are other things that I do, but gardening has been such a part of my life for so long. I mean, I found it as a teenager, so it's with me longer than it hasn't been with me, you know? And there have been times when, like during the lockdowns and stuff, you couldn't actually get into community gardens, you couldn't get onto allotments, you know, and I felt it. Me personally, when I'm in the garden, I'm home. That's where I am, I'm home. And for a lot of people in recent times, they found the garden was their solace. You couldn't go more than 5k, but you could step out into the back garden and you stepped into a whole other world. The bounty from the garden is more than vegetables and herbs and pretty flowers for the table. It's the reconnect. That's, you know, and that's what makes you feel so good. But it's the simple pleasures of being in an outdoor space. You're not just putting your back into it, you know, you're putting your heart and soul into it. The investment that you put into the garden, like the physicality, bolsters your physical well-being. Gardening is, you know, it's just a wellspring of well-being. There's so much about it that makes you feel good about yourself. It's that connection makes you feel good about being alive, reminds you that you are alive. You know, so even just the everyday worries dissipate away and the garden opens itself up to you.